Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So we had a very interesting morning this morning. I got up early, had some routine blood work done, went with my family to go out to breakfast, and the garage door slammed down on us. It's an automatic garage door opener, and I guess it got broken and it completely fell apart and the door came crashing down. Thankfully no one was hurt, but it was pretty scary. We actually got this garage door just a few months ago, so it should be under warranty. And naturally, none of us had our other house keys with us. Fortunately, we had given an extra set to our neighbors, and we're inside our home now. So, exciting morning. Hopefully, the rest of the day is not eventful. It is a Friday of Memorial Day weekend, and I am off today. So I have some miscellaneous items to show you, and I don't know the prices of everything because I got them on Amazon, and you know how Amazon is, prices change anyway. But like the first thing I want to show you, I got from Stitch Fix. All right, these are a pair of espadrilles. Let's see what the name of them is. They're the Aldo Ephema Wedge, and I got them my normal size 7. So let me bring them a little closer so you can see and how it has like almost like a lace type of detail up here. Okay, it's not too high. I would say it's probably about a 3-inch wedge. It is cushioned and it has the tie-up strings. And these are exactly the type of espadrilles I've been looking for. And these, I believe, were $90. Let me try them on for you in an outfit that I was anticipating in my mind to wear with. And I'll be doing that later today. All right, let's bring over here. So Kayla's closet, I think it was a Wantable that she got, where she got 2 pairs of jeans. One was a pair of white, and the other pair was like a blue camo. And, you know, when she got them, she's like, I don't know. And I looked on Amazon, because I know Amazon carries Democracy, and they were Democracy jeans, and sure enough, they were there. So I was like, you know what? I need a new pair of white jeans. I'm wearing a pair of white jeans today. They're boot cut, but I was looking for more of a straight or skinny to actually wear in the winter time with not winter, but fall time. I wear it with a camel blazer and a top, and it's a really nice outfit. So obviously I can't stick boot cut into a boot. It looks quite silly. So I got these Democracy jeans, and again, I'll link them below. On Amazon, they don't start their sizing until a size 2, and typically I'm a 0. So these may not work for me, and I did them with the try before you buy, but we'll see, because everyone says to size up in white denim, so I'm going to I sized up here, and we'll see what they look like. So they have a cuff here that you can unroll, and it is pretty much like a skinny straight leg. It's good enough for me. This is exactly kind of like the leg I was looking for, because like I said, I want to put them in boots, all right? But you can keep them rolled, and we'll see. We'll see how these look on me, all right? They have, you know, regular 5-pocket styling and the curved back. And of course, it's the mold and hold absolution. It has the stretchy waist. And these are 52% cotton, 26% lyocell, 19% polyester, and 3% spandex, okay? All right, up next, also from Amazon, I got this scarf, all right? I'll keep it. It was cheap enough, but, you know, it's not as sparking as much joy as I thought it would, all right? Or I may return it, I'll see. So it is pretty colors and everything. The pattern itself, it's kind of, I guess it's supposed to be trees. I don't know. It's not what I expected. I thought it was going to have a lot more orange. And yes, it has orange, but it's like it's like a big splotch of orange, which I think is kind of weird. All right. It was not the pattern I was anticipating to get. And this is 100%, and this is how they describe it, silk polyester. It's polyester, all right? The other thing that I got from Amazon, and you're all gonna laugh, is I got a beret. I don't know why, but I've been wanting a beret for a while. Don't ask me why. Again, this was like under $15, I think. I would not get this again. I'll keep it because I've been wanting a beret for a while. You know, it has a little nub here on top. I got it in a camel color. I would not recommend this. This is like a felt. This is really cheap. You know, I was hoping for more like, you know, a real fabric thing. Again, you know, if I end up returning anything else from this, I might also return these because it's just not meeting my expectations. Okay, oh wait, there's one more thing I got too. I had to go find it. I was like, where'd it go? So I found it. All right, this is another try before you buy item. I was talking to my friend Shannon. I'm like, where can I get pressed earrings from? She said, Amazon. I said, oh. So these have like flowers pressed inside them. I don't know if you can see. It has all different colors of flowers. All right, and it's around gold. They're very cute and dainty. And I did the try before you buy these. I'm probably going to keep them. One of the reasons why I did try before you buy versus outright is because sometimes things are too heavy for my ears. And I think these will be perfect. All right, so just a few seconds, you'll see a try on. Okay, first up, I'm going to model the shoes for you, in which I'll pan down in a minute, and I'm so very excited. So, you know, I got this from Stitch Fix a while ago when it was still cold out. It's now starting to warm up. And I haven't worn it yet. So I think part of the reason why I wasn't wearing it, again, is because I buy things and I like them. And I'm like, I then envision the perfect thing to go with it. And then I realize I don't have it. So that gets to the shoes. So let me pan down and show you the shoes. All right. Yes, this could go on with any number of shoes. I even have another pair of like espadrilles. But I like these. I really like these. These are a closed toe, so they're great when my nail polish is falling off or doesn't look the greatest. And I just like the look, and they're actually quite comfortable and quite a manageable heel. There are the tie-up, which I do like. I think that looks cute. And I'm very excited to have these. These, if you've been following me a while, I actually write things on a list of things that I actually want. All right, back up here so hopefully you can see it. And closed-toe espadrille shoes in a neutral color like this was on my list for a long time. Super excited to add these to my wardrobe. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to try on the Democracy jeans. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. These are the Democracy jeans. I know this is looking like a weird outfit for you, but I wanted to make sure I can wear these with boots without them all bunching up on me. And I can, and I'll pan down for a minute, and I'll also take off the boots so you can see how it looks, the length on me. So these are a size up than what I typically would wear, and I think they just fit just fine. They're very comfortable, as all Democracy is. I mean, there is a little extra fabric, but I think that's fine for white jeans. All right, so here's the back of them. Here's the front of them, okay? And give me a minute, I'm gonna take my shoes off so you can see what the length looks like. Okay, I have it panned down so you can see the how it lays here on my leg and how long it is when it's cuffed. When it's uncuffed, it just goes down to the ankle. And I would say these are just a regular straight leg because it's not squished around my ankle, which is what I prefer. I also have here the beret I can wear with this outfit. I think it matches okay. I'm still on the fence about this. The quality of this is not there. I was expecting, you know, it not to be great quality, but I was hoping to be something of like a sweater type of material of acrylic or something. This is literally just a felt hat. And the scarf, it's a sizable scarf and it wasn't expensive at all. I'm just not really in love with the pattern, all right? Not in love with it. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing. All right, so I'm keeping the jeans, keeping the shoes, and I got the earrings in, and they're very light and dainty, so the earrings are a winner. So my question now is, do I return the hat and the scarf? And I think my answer is yes. I shouldn't spend, even if they were under 30 bucks for the two of them together. Why am I gonna spend money on something I don't like, all right? Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me a thumbs up and take care. And until next time.